How to use the encode URL function in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explained video series, I'm going to talk about how you can use the encode URL function in Excel. Okay. Encode URL function usually encodes your URL. There are characters that are not allowed inside URL and you can encode them. Okay. So these are the characters. If you use the encode URL function, it will convert them to these characters. Okay. Now let's use the encode URL function and learn how you should use it. Write equal to and then write encode URL. The parameter is simple. It's a single parameter text. Just select the URL, close parenthesis, press enter, and you can see this URL has been encoded into this. You can also encode text with it. You can see these three URL is converted to this and this text is also encoded. You can see, please subscribe to Excel 10 tutorial. This text is also encoded to this using this function. If I remove this, and you can see, like I said, these characters will be encoded to this. Let's try that, see if that happens. Write equal to and then write encode URL and select the character, close parenthesis, press enter, and you can see this character is encoded and transferred to this. If I drag it, so these are the encoding system, and this is how you can use the encode URL function. And there is no built-in decode URL function here, but in the next tutorial I will show you how you can create a custom function that you can use to decode this type of URL. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching, see you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.